Hi everybody, it's Russell here. Are you new to investing? I know when I was new to investing, I really wanted to find those companies that would consistently go up in price. And I had no idea how to find them. I'd look through a whole lot of different price patterns across several stocks and try to pick out the ones that jumped out to me. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to do using VectorVest to speed up the process. So if you're new to investing, you're in the right place. So let's find those stocks continuing in an uptrend. Before we get going here, please note our license numbers, and in addition, general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal circumstances, financial circumstances. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. With that said, let's jump into VectorVest. So I've got three stocks I want to pick on. All I want you to do is just look at these three stocks and their graphs. So let's do this. Let's select the three here. I'm going to click on graph. So this is the powerful VectorVest system. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to look at one indicator. This indicator here being CI, Comfort Index. It's on a scale of 0 to 2, and the higher above 1, the better the trend is of a given stock. And what I like to do is I like to find a Comfort Index score that's breaking above 1 and then holds above 1. So if you look at this stock here, Catalyst Metals here, look, CI breaks above 1, roughly around about here. It breaks through. The price was just on over $1.50 odd there. So call it $1.50. So it just breaks through around about there, about $1.50. And look at that. It goes all the way up, and hits a $6.44 price mark there. Phenomenal. Now along the way, sure, we have different ratings for the share depending on those wanting to invest into shorter time periods, but for a new beginner investor, this is an incredibly powerful technique. Find those companies where the Comfort Index is breaking above 1, holding above 1, and you're certainly setting yourself up to cash in on some pretty good returns. All right, so that's one such technique. And if I repeat it again with different stocks, look at Regis Resources. So the CI score broke out recently on the 15th of January, give or take. Around about the 15th of January 2025, the price was $2.90. What's the price now? $4.49. Very good uptake in price. Let's move it on over here. Commonwealth Bank. All right, so for our retiree investors looking for a powerful system to know when to get in, when to get out, look at the Commonwealth Bank here. The Comfort Index breaks above 1. Where was there? Just around about here, the 15th of February, price at 114. Hasn't broken below 1 since, so it's all the way up to 158. If you go back in time on any of these given stocks, you can see here, for example, Commonwealth Bank, look, the Comfort Index breaks below 1. You certainly didn't miss out on much in terms of price performance at that point. Where was the price? 105. If I move it across along here, you can see before it breaks out again, and then finally started to move up to 115. But you would have saved yourself all of that pain while it was bouncing around and hitting low points, bouncing around, so you could have avoided a lot of that. Now, I know a lot of investors will hold Commonwealth Bank for dividends and franking credits, but if you're wanting a system that just makes it easy, when is the right time to look to go in? Now, let's close this out, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on Clear, and I'm going to show you the top 5 stocks by the Comfort Index. So VectorVest looks at all the different stocks in Australia. And what I've told VectorVest is sort all of those stocks by the Comfort Index. Now we've looked at Catalyst Metals, but let's look at the other 4 here. These are the top CI ranked stocks, which you can get each and every day using VectorVest. And using the same methodology again, here it is. Look at this. CI breaks above 1 here, price at $1.56. Price well over $4.50. Amazing, right? And moving on to the next one here, it sort of bounced, bounced in and out. Definitely around about here, it was definitely going at that point. You can see how that Comfort Index had really started to rocket up here. So let's see. $1 was the price, just shy of $3 now. Phenomenal. So this is what VectorVest will do each and every day for you. It will help you identify those top CI breaking out stocks. So here it bounced a bit, definitely got going around about here. Definitely at that point you can see it breaking nicely above 1 and holding $1.14 and now $3 and 51 cents. And the last one we'll take a look at here, BC8. Up comes CI, breaks up to the upside, breaks well above 1, price at 35 cents. Look at that, all the way to $1.03 there. So that's what you do each and every day for you. Log into VectorVest, go and find those top CI stocks, because these are stocks that are resisting severe and or lengthy price declines. These are stocks moving up. I'll give you the definition here just in signing off here. So if I right click for any stock, I can view a full stock analysis report. Makes life really easy with VectorVest. All the key definitions are given. And over here, it's a picture of a couch. The Comfort Index. Comfort Index is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and or lengthy price declines. CI is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. So if you can find those top CI stocks, begin your analysis with the top CI stocks. You're putting yourself into good company in terms of good long-term upward trending. Not always, it doesn't always last forever, but you'll find a lot of those top CI stocks you go for a fair lick of time. So right now, if I was to look as of the 15th of April 2025, this is where I begin my analysis to find some of those long-term trending stocks. I hope you got a lot out of this. Until next time, bye for now.